yeeps on my wait, I did. So yeah, I made this yeeps. Oh my! Hey, you're blocking the view. Or not? What's up? I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, what's up, guys? So far, this is good. It's released, but if finally released. But if you want to join our Only Up, there's one issue. It's called Room 1. Yeah, it's called Room 1. So if you join that, yeah. The Only Up code. So the Only Up code is Only Up code fantasy. So yeah. And huge shout out to our amazing staff. I don't know if you can see or not. So just amazing staff. And yeah. So make sure to join it. So bye.